Hello and welcome to another episode with me, Shadow Wizard. I will be reviewing IDW My Little Pony issue 9 to 10, which is the story arc called Zen and the Art of Gazebo Repair, which is mainly focusing on Big Mac. So this story arc is mainly focused on Big Mac, but it started when Big Mac went to the gazebo and tried to fix it. So there are no nails for him to use to fix the gazebo. So he went to the summer web festival and tries to look for it with no luck. So we see a wonderful Fleetfoot fall down and hit Big Mac, but luckily there's nothing wrong other than Fleetfoot becoming in love with Big Mac. And also, afterwards, Luna dragged him into the race for a bit. Afterwards, we see him at the tool shop, which is basically destroyed by a cannonball, which was made by the CMC. So he decided to walk back and drag into the dancing for the parade. And I think it's a reference to the thriller. Later that day, we see him going to a dance club and accidentally bump to another pony, which created a love triangle. And we see Big Mac meeting Miss Shirley, which is a reference to Hudson Who's Day. It was a interesting episode. So Big Mac had fun for the rest of the day. And afterwards, as he was walking back, we see where the nails went as the shopkeeper tells Big Mac that the CMC had it, and he went back to the Gazebo, which is destroyed now by the CMC. And this should be the positive. I had a fun reading the comic, which we find out what it might do on a daily basis. He can be fun as there is not much of a talking role on the show. We would also see final talk in this panel. Also, this also reference the first story arc with the changeling. We would also see Luna interacting with her subject. So, the negative, there are too much side story in this, and that it works oddly enough. I wish it could expand a bit more on the love trio in the comic, though. But this is more of a nitpicky thing. So overall, I like this story arc and that it is simple. The story is simple to understand and that it is like a slice of life style. So I would give this 4 nay L5 and I will see you later at the next review. Shadow Wizard out.